Nicholas, what do you got on there? Wow, that's a cool outfit you got there. Are you showing me the Gangnam Style dance?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Go, hey, sexy lady. Oh, you want me to play Gangnam Style on the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that? Just like that? Yeah.
Play Gangnam Style in your phone.
You want me to play it on my phone?
Yeah.
Show me the dance real quick. Go do the dance and I'll play it. Show me what you're going to do when I play it on the phone. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Show me the hey, sexy lady.
No. I want it.